welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a clean with me video. Some of the footage got cut out, but I'm still cleaning it up because I really didn't have any backup video to put up. But I had some people over the night before. This was on Saturday, so I have a lot of stuff to clean. I have been working like a 46-hour shift this week, so I needed to get the house clean. The house was a complete mess. So I'm just kind of cleaning up the countertop of the kitchen and getting everything out of there. And all the dishes that need to go in the dishwasher, I just put them in the sink. And I'm just putting out the LaCroix that I bought. I'm trying really hard to stay on keto. I have gained a lot of weight and I'm really starting to get concerned about my health. So I need to really stick to this diet and started working out and started to take a little more care of myself. So I bought the LaCroix because I don't want to drink soda anymore. And I'm just putting all the little things away. That flower my husband brought me that is dead, I'm just going to throw it in the garbage. It's just super dead now and there's no point in me keeping it. I'm just putting everything away, and I'm cleaning everything with the Mrs. Meyer's lemon, I think it's like lemon, the lemon scent. I'm just wiping everything down, taking the fruits and everything out of the way, so I can just wipe everything down. I like the smell of this one. I think I prefer the basil better and the honeysuckle, but this one's okay. It's really refreshing, but I like those other ones better than this one. Again, the dishwasher, I ran it at night, but I forgot to take the dishes out in the morning, so I'm just going to put the dishes away that are clean, and then I'm going to start putting away the dishes, putting the dishes that are dirty in the dishwasher. That way I can run it. Again, I haven't been at home that much during the week, so the house was very, very messy. And there was a lot of dishes that needed to be washed and a lot of stuff. As I walked around the house, I saw that there was like cups everywhere for the children and things like that. So it was a lot of stuff that I had accumulated. So I'm just kind of putting everything away. You see the sink is like overflowing with dishes, but that's okay. I'm just kind of like rinsing everything out, getting all the gunk out, and then putting everything in the dishwasher. I'm just putting everything away that was on the drying mat, just because I need to make room for some of the stuff that I'm gonna put to dry on the drying mat. I don't put all my pans inside the dishwasher. Some of them I threw them out, and this one had a lot of stuff stuck to it. I think it's because my husband did make pasta and the pasta got stuck to it. But these are the pans that I typically don't put on the dishwasher, so I just wash them by hand. Dishes there to soak up and get all the gunk out of them, just because they had a lot of stuff stuck to them, and I also left the caddy with some water in it. That way I can rinse it out later. It had a little gunk in it, so it was kind of hard for me to take out. And then I'm just going to clean the countertop next to the stove. Just kind of get everything out of the way and wipe it down. And I'm also going to clean the bottles of oil that I have, and I'm also going to clean the spice rack. Just because the spice rack gets really dirty as the time keeps going by, like some of the spices fall off when I'm using them and it gets a little gunky, so I'm just going to take that out as well and clean it all out. I try to do that once a week where I deep clean the stove, I take everything out and then I put it easy off and I leave it there for a couple hours and then I put it overnight in the dishwasher. But this time I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to kind of wipe it down roughly, and then another day I'm going to do that. I was just getting kind of the house tidied up, kind of clean up the house because it was getting kind of gunky, but so I'm just gonna right now just swipe the floor, clean it, mop it, and the kitchen will be completely done. I'm so excited when I clean the kitchen and everything's looking really nice, because that means I can cook and everything's gonna be clean, and all I have to do is just kind of wipe down everything I use for cooking and then put it in the dishwasher and then have the dishwasher run. Wipe everything down and just kind of keep it organized and take some of the stuff that are there and don't belong there and just put it back where they belong. clean the countertop next to the TV. Just kind of keep that organized. And again, some of the footage that I had completely got lost or erased from my camera, so you don't get to see how I cleaned the rest of my house, but I ended up cleaning the bathroom, the rooms, and the play area. So, but this is where I'm going to leave the video. I hope you guys like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.